Good morning. So today was I believe our first or second day, not too sure because a lot of our footage got lost in the process of all this vlogging. But we definitely hit up the Marina. We had a nice little lunch there. We ran into a cool dude, this guy that worked at the cafe we were eating at, and he hooked us up with a 2-hour boat ride after we had our little business meeting, because it's always business with me and my papas. We're always planning, figuring out what's our next move, because we have stuff to do. Y'all, being out here, I promise you, everybody that passed us was like, hey, hi, they were so intrigued. But I don't know if it was because the way we were dressed and that we were walking around with a camera all the time. So they were always intrigued with us about everything and questioning us, is that a camera? Is that this? It was the funniest thing, but they were so kind. Dubai was, we did not run into not one bad thing about Dubai, and I loved that. I love that the people were just so kind and so chill. Definitely gotta go back to Dubai.
Y'all already know what the fuck the vibes is, man. You know where we at? Look, and if this nigga keep looking at me, we gonna have to fight. Watch him in the blue shirt. Watch him in the blue shirt.
What's my last? A Bardashian.
It is food. It is food. I'll try what my sugar mama taking me.
I gotta get the shoes. The shoes are so cute.
This is where my sugar mama about to take me. Yacht
Remember,
life.
I'm about to do that TikTok. I was like, I deserve to be in a yacht, shaking my ass in Dubai.
Yeah?
That's my freaking TikTok. Listen, Cardi, you said me trajo panticito, and now my little donkey is hot in Dubai, dripping sweat. What are you supposed to do in cases like this? You and Osuna hit me up and let me know, because what's the trick, homegirl? I mean, heels. I can't even.
Don't bust your ass in.
Fall in the water, thinking.
Being in the sharks, you'll be alright.
How you know?
Why,
I'm about to ask him, because I'm about to ask him where this water run into.
The ocean?
Exactly, and there's sharks in the ocean.
Yeah, but not here.
How you know they don't come up over here?
They have buoys, them on.
Yeah. That water deep enough to fit a whale, a shark. Let's buy it, y'all. Balls. We're gonna take a boat ride to the Marina. Where were we going? Marina, BBR, and 2 other places, right? 2-hour boat ride. We're about to go to Dubai. Alright, we're about to take this little 2-hour boat ride in freaking Dubai. Look at these buildings, are crazy out here. They're super tall. When people say Dubai is city, they don't lie.
Why lie? We'll be moving out there next year for sure. Looking for me, I'll be at Dubai.
Y'all, this is my first time on a boat. I've never been on a boat. And now I'm on a boat again in Dubai. Y'all, our boat ride was so freaking fun. And so we got to check out all the scenery in Dubai, but like through the ocean's perspective, if that makes sense. We got to even visit the Royals' private island. We got to pass by it and see their yachts and whatnot. It was so pretty. So pretty. And their ocean, their water, oh my goodness. The Arabian Sea. Y'all have to take a dip in it. I loved it. 10 out of 10. But yes, we enjoyed our boat ride. It was really cool. Shout out to our friend from the cafe that hooked us up. And I wish we would have got like more footage of us, because we did get to do jet skiing in the marina at a different part of the marina, if that makes sense. We definitely got to jet ski, and we got to dip in the beach, like dip in the water at the beach, and yeah. So, but I think I posted footage about that on Instagram if y'all want to check that out at babyjazz_x. Mwah. You bet not. I heard y'all. Alright, so we in this busy ass road. We trying to cross the street. But right here say do not cross the blinking. We almost got ran down. Lord is busy.
91.
That means that
You see how dark the thing was on our
you were the 91st person in Dubai to get a car with a license plate. We're trying to cross this busy ass street. No, because she waiting too. So like out here, the license plates go by numbers. And somebody had 91, and then there's other people like 45,000, 4,000. So he was the 91st person to get that license plate out here.
But you should see me just in all the white thing with the hair up, and the tint on the car was dark as the windshield.
He gotta be from the higher up. We're about to take the train, and because we've been taking Ubers and taxis the whole way. But
We gotta go.
let's go here. So we decided to take the train like we did in Paris, and go to the Souk to get a grocery and shop.
Yeah. Metro.
I want a metro.
I want to catch up with
Why?
so I can sit up and relax in the AC.
Sit on my lap.
Huh?
Sit on my lap.
Sugar.
Stop calling me stupid.
What?
Stop calling me stupid. I like it though, I don't mind it.
Paparazzi, no paparazzi.
So we're taking the metro, right? And we're trying to get to the Gold Souk. And the Gold Souk would be number 22. So one of my favorite parts about Dubai at night is that when the prayers start and you hear it all throughout the city, especially in the Gold Souk, really loud, and they just say their prayers, like their prayers are just playing. Oh my goodness, it's just the culture out there was just so, I loved it. I loved it. Like there was nothing to complain about. Like I'm definitely going back to Dubai. So we pulled up to this cool little famous shop here that everybody goes to. I don't know if you guys caught it on TikTok, but this store is nice, and the guy that works there, I don't know if he's the owner. Listen, he done called me Shakira. Now can nobody not, I don't take nothing less than Shakira. Shakira means beautiful to them in their language. So now I require everybody to call me Shakira. What does Shakira mean to you?
Shakira means she's beautiful girl.
Ah, that or Habibi. But he was so dope and cool, down to earth, and hooked us up with some good prices. So we got to shop and find our hijabs and everything that we needed for our mosque. And we got a couple scarves for when we went to the safari, the Sahara Desert. He was so kind and funny, y'all. Y'all have to check out this store.
And you like it, my friend? Or we can try, shall we start?
Yeah.
Alright.
You don't want one?
I tell him here.
Shakira, you like this? I have dress. Or big dress.
How much are these?
I give good price, no problem. Yeah, first you select things, no problem. Which dress you like?
How much is it? For both of them.
Yeah, come and wait for you.
I have another question. The one you wear in a mosque?
Yeah, I have. I'll show you.
I love that. You put this on fair? Okay. Y'all, yeah, cute girl. Look at me. It's so cute. We'll definitely have to get this. Like, come on, this store is cute too.
Come. Which one you like?
Let me find out.
Which dress you like?
You don't just have a plain color one?
Black?
Plain white?
Yeah, we have.
Yeah. Finally back from the hotel. Look at, I'm tired too. I'm hungry. It's gonna be an outfit change and then dinner. So after the Gold Souk, we did a quick little outfit change because my papa took me to a little 5-star for dinner. It was so cute, you guys. We had so much fun in Dubai. I can't even like. I can't put that. Now that's how I want you to call me, beautiful. Disrespect. Now every time you call me beautiful, I want you to say Shakira, please. Don't say hey beautiful, say Shakira. I want you to call me Shakira. So after dinner, we did a nice little, a little meeting, a little bath together, enjoyed ourselves, and yeah, that's it for this vlog. Bye.